Hey guys, what's going on? Hippie here. So on today's episode or video, I have one of these guys. It is a Almont ReKey. Haven't done too much research on it. I've just actually gotten really excited, wanted to play with it a little bit. So I've got the Reaper 50 thou top of keyway and the number 4 from the Reaper set. And let's just see what kind of damage we can do here. Okay. These did not come with a key. So, okay, let's try this again. These are sticky. Okay. I got a feeling like it's just little nudges. I'm feeling to each pin and just kind of slowly moving forward. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I just overset. But what I'm doing is going to the back of the keyway to hook that last pin, and I'll lift up on it. Man, I can't feel if it sets. Okay, that must have set. Move up one. That one set. Maybe. Oh, I just overset something because I felt the back one drop out. Okay. Basically like scrubbing pins to see if I can find a binder. Hey, there we go. That was wild. All right, so that is, let me turn this lock off. That is the Almont ReKey. Maybe I'll get lucky and he'll let me keep one of these guys. Kind of curious about this, so I'm gonna have to do some research about these guys and figure some stuff out. All right, guys, that's all I got for today. I will catch you later. Bye.